In today's video, I will walk you through how to access the Shopify admin dashboard. To begin, sign into your Shopify account. You will normally be taken directly to the Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are logged in, the admin dashboard will appear as the main area of your account. This is where you can manage different parts of your store and access the tools available within Shopify. In most cases, no additional navigation is required because Shopify automatically opens the admin dashboard after a successful login. If you have entered the correct account details and completed the sign-in process, you should already be viewing the dashboard. However, there may be times when you are working in a different section of Shopify instead of the main dashboard. For example, you might be in the site editing area or the store customization section. When this happens, the screen layout will look different from the standard admin dashboard. If you need to return to the dashboard while you are in one of these areas, look toward the upper left corner of the screen. You should find an option labeled Exit or Back to Shopify. Click this button to leave the editing or customization area. After selecting it, Shopify will take you back to the admin dashboard. Once the dashboard opens again, you can continue working from the main administrative area of your store. If you switch between editing and management sections frequently, you can use this same process whenever you need to return to the dashboard. If you move into the customization section again, look for the same Exit or Back to Shopify option when you are ready to leave that area. Selecting it will return you to the dashboard each time. When navigating through Shopify, pay attention to which section you are currently viewing. If the screen is focused on editing store content or design settings, use the option in the upper left corner to return to the dashboard. If you are already on the dashboard after signing in, no additional steps are required. You can immediately begin working with the available store management tools. The process is the same whenever you need to access the dashboard. Sign into your Shopify account, and if you are redirected to another section later, use the Exit or Back to Shopify option to return. After returning to the dashboard, you can continue managing your store from the main administrative area. And that is how to access the Shopify admin dashboard. Thank you for watching.